welcome back. Now a look at the other events in the state.
1000 Smiles of Goa is back to capture Goan smiling faces on 15 December. This is the fourth time DYSP Atmaram Deshpande and ace photographer Prasad Pankar are organizing 1000 Smiles of Goa. The captured images will be displayed at Makine's Palace on 26th and 27th December and at Ravindra Bhavan Madgaon on 29th and 30th December.
The locations is 10 different locations will be Panjim, Mapsa, Kalangut, Old Goa, Bicholi, Margaon, Vasco, Ponda, Polwa and Kurchorem. So Bicholi and Kurchorem in fact are mining areas, and we will be able to show to the people that even in spite of the economic depression, Goan people are resilient and they can fight and come up with winning expressions and winning emotions.
A group of Germans residing in Goa along with some Goan people had an interaction with the officials of Goa Pollution Control Board and discussed issue of pollution in the state. They discussed how garbage has become major concern of pollution and how to tackle with it. But Pollution Control Board said garbage management does not fall within their jurisdiction.
The meeting was basically held as a kind of a group discussion more than anything else to know what the pollution, the measures the board is taking to control pollution, the various issues like municipal solid waste. So they were concerned about the quality of air, the quality of water within the state of Goa.
18th International Congress of Rural Health and Medicine concluded on Wednesday at Kala Academy. Medical researchers, doctors and medical students had come from across the world to take part in this event. After 3-day-long brainstorming sessions, Congress came up with Goa Declaration, which will go to the governments of member countries for implementation in their respective rural health care programs. Member of Planning Commission Dr. Saeeda Hamid said that the suggestions will be incorporated in the 12th plan.
I think this is a very comprehensive declaration, and what I really like about it is that it actually resonates very well with the 12th plan.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
An important knock of 85 runs by Rigan Pinto enabled Goa to take first innings lead over Himachal Pradesh on the third day of Ranji Trophy match at Porvorim. Goa will get 3 points from this Group C match if contest ends in a stalemate.
Replying to Himachal Pradesh's first innings total of 338 runs, Goa reached 347 for 8 at the end of play on Monday. Middle order batsman Rigan Pinto held the tail together with two important partnerships. Shadab Jakati combined with Rigan at the fall of Rohit Asnodkar when Goa had 193 runs on the board. A 58-run partnership for the 7th wicket boosted Goa's hopes of overtaking Himachal Pradesh. After the fall of Jakati, Saurabh Bandekar proved an able partner for Rigan. Both batsmen played cautiously at times while Rigan enjoyed a life before the final hour of play began. Bandekar was dismissed after adding 71 runs for the 8th wicket. Rigan remained not out on 85 runs, which came off 180 balls. Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa. You can also meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.